Installing CUCKOO Muse water filtration system is easy and simple. Follow these steps to install and use your water purifiers at home with ease. Here is what you need to start the installation. You will need one faucet-mounted diverter, 3 faucet adapters, 1 T-valve, 1 2.5 meter tubing, 2 L fitting, 4 cable ties, and 3 filters already inside of your CUCKOO Muse. CUCKOO Muse has 2 types of installation: the faucet installation and the under-the-sink installation. First, let's start with the installation using the faucet. To begin installation with the faucet, remove the aerator from the faucet by loosening it. Next, connect the diverter to the faucet by hand. Make sure to seal the diverter tightly or it may cause water leakage. If the faucet adapter does not fit properly, please use the other adapters provided. Do not over-tighten. Then remove the tubing end cap and connect the tubing. After connecting the tubing, put on the tubing end cap and tighten it. Connect the water input with the tubing, taking off the end plug by pressing the red collet. Make sure that the tubing is fully inserted or it may cause water leak. When using the water purifier, turn the lever towards the tubing direction. When using the faucet, turn the lever towards the faucet direction. Then connect the power cord of CUCKOO Muse. Place the CUCKOO Muse on top of the sink and remove the water tray. Then activate the non-stop flow function 10 times simultaneously in order to reactivate the filters and system. This will take roughly 10 minutes. Check if there is any water leakage which may cause malfunction of the product. Next is the under-the-sink installation. Firstly, cut off the water supply by closing the cold water supply valve under the sink. Check if cold water flows out by turning on the faucet of the sink. Please be reminded that the product installation has to be done only through cold water supply. Disconnect the water supply hose and connect the T-valve provided in the installation kit. Then connect the disconnected hose of water supply to the T-valve and tighten to prevent any water leakage. Connect the water input with the tubing by taking off the end plug by pressing the red collet. Make sure that the tubing is fully inserted or it may cause water leak. Then organize and place down the tubing through the holes on the table or sink to connect with water supply. If currently there are no holes on the table or sink, there is a need to make a hole for the tubing on the top of the table or sink. To disconnect the water supply, turn the T-valve lever towards the opposite of the tubing direction, using vertical direction. Remove the tubing end cap, then connect the tubing to the T-valve. After the tubing connection, make sure to put on the tubing end cap fully inserted and tighten it. When using the product, turn the lever towards the tubing direction. Open the cold water supply and check if there is any water leakage, which may cause malfunction of the product. We now plug in the CUCKOO Muse. Then activate the non-stop flow function 10 times simultaneously in order to reactivate the filters and system. This will take roughly 10 minutes. Now the installation is complete, easy and simple. CUCKOO Muse, my mineral mate.